your fighter.
Slightly inspired.
Review of the Bose Airdopes 171. Let's get started.
Inside the box we get all these items: the charging or the storing case for the earbuds, Airdopes, USB Type-C cable, a 1-year warranty card, a pair of extra buds and a little box containing the instruction manual, and a manual that shows more tech products they sell and all the celebrities that sponsor both. Alright, so talking about the packaging. One thing that I found quite strange about the packaging is that they haven't mentioned the model name in big bold letters, like saying Airdopes 177 in front of the box or anywhere. I don't know, to make the packaging look more clean maybe? Who knows? Otherwise, the packaging is fairly decent, it gets the job done. Pricing. In the Bose's official website, the starting price of Airdopes 171 is rupees 6,000, which is way too high, but after discount it's 1,500. In Amazon's website it is comparatively much cheaper, rupees 999.
Choose your fighter.
Battery. It has 3 hours of battery life per charge and has a battery capacity of 43 mAh for each earbud. Carry/charging case has 380 mAh and it ensures up to 3 times the charge for earbuds with up to 10 hours of playback. When the device is plugged in, it shows you red light, and when it's fully charged, it shows you with a white light. Alright, so specs. The sound quality and the bass is amazing, no doubt there at all, but its Bluetooth range is not that good. You still have to be quite close to your mobile phones or else you'll hear the audio starting to crack and eventually disconnects. It can be used separately. If one of the Airdopes battery die, you can always use the other one, or it's completely your choice, you can use it both together. And it also has a voice assistant feature, which can be activated by long pressing one of the buttons for 2 seconds, and the voice assistant screen pops up, and now you can say your command. Alright, so to sum up, these are good affordable earphones. Both has made their grounds in tech community and has gained people trust and their choices. In quality wise, and also the minimalism look is just amazing. I personally needed wireless earphones for my workout sessions because I usually use this only for an hour a day, and yes, these do sometimes fall out of my ears while jogging, so nonetheless this is a decent buy, and yeah, you should just go for it.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have questions regarding the product, please do comment down below. I'll be answering all of your questions. Till then, peace.